Against my photographic kisses, hope you smile. The favorite color like the stars. No competition, just compete. I didn't listen very hard. She put my name against my photographic kisses, hope you smile. The favorite color like the stars. No competition, just compete. I didn't listen very hard. She put my name against my photographic.
All right, so this is my next bottle that I'm about to start working on. I'm about to start trying to get the bottles on camera, or you know, get like a before and after of the bottles. A lot of the times the bottles kind of be rushed. Not rushed like a bad job, but like I be having to get them done and I don't be having time to actually take videos and stuff. So this is before. Okay, some Dominican rum is 750 milliliters rum. Boom boom bam. And we're gonna see what it looked like after. See the little transformation. Okay, so I have, dang, why I got dark room. Okay, so I went ahead and sprayed the sealant on it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks now. And this is not like how it's gonna look. Like in the end, it'll look a little different, but I'm gonna show y'all. I gotta be clean my lens. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right now while it's wet. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all when it's dry though. When it's dry, y'all can see, like, you know, how it really shine. Battery dying. I swear these batteries do not last long. What the heck? I ain't even used it for real. Okay, so here is the finished product. This is the bottle. You know what I'm saying? Check the glitz and glam. I was gonna get a little thumbnail real quick. I don't know if it's that cute because it's in the car. But anyways, this is the bottle. This is the bag. This is the glitter. Up close and personal. You feel me? Let me get out the frame. See if it focus. There we go. A little focus on the glitter for you. You know what I'm saying? This is the final product. I like it. It's cute. It's a small bottle. It's smaller than I thought it would be, but yes, if you need a custom bottle, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? We got custom, not be so loud. We got custom bottles. I just took like some pictures, videos, and a TikTok. You know, gotta do all of those. And yeah, this is the after. I wish I could have like all the bottles together, but obviously I can't do that, so you know, I'll just have videos of them. So hit me up if you need a custom bottle. You know what I'm saying? We got the custom color and we got the custom writing on it. So if you wanted to say happy birthday, you wanted to say 21st, you wanted to say just the name, whatever you wanted to say, we can go ahead and hook that up for you. Hit me up. I need to try to get these in the clubs though. For I've been trying to do that and I've been slacking. Like I haven't even been trying to look into it because of quarantine. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I might as well not even try to. Oh no, I didn't try. But now people been at the club, so I need to go ahead and get to it. Get into it, okay? I appreciate y'all watching my videos, checking out my channel. I appreciate every little bit of support that y'all show me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. This is just like, you know, me showing off the bottles before and after, but you know what I'm saying? You know, I got other content on the channel if you want to check it out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, here go my card. Come shop with your girl. Come shop with your girl. But yeah, come shop with your girl. And I'm gonna go inside and package this up.